Hello everyone, I am Ajay from the team Nons. Our problem statement is blockchain based blue carbon registry and MRV system from the theme clean and green technology. Indian coastal region helps to capture a lot of carbon dioxide, but today there is no clear system to track this work and reward people for doing it. Our solution solves this problem with more transparency and trust. So, we divided this whole system into four stages: onboarding, plantation initialization, plantation verification, carbon credit issuing. So, NGOs and coastal panchayats registered in the portal. Once NCCR approved, issues a decentralized identity called DID to them as a login credentials. First, coastal panchayats logins and uploads the details of available land for the plantation with the basic information. They also upload the soil and drone images. Our system uses an AI model to estimate how much CO2 this land can absorb and generates a baseline report. These reports stored securely on IPFS. IPFS stands for Interplanetary File System. It is a secure and efficient way of storing the data, and it returns a CID. That CID is stored immutably on Solana blockchain. Once land registration approved by NCCR, verified NGOs can start plantation on the land by generating a basic plantation report. So now I am creating a proposal for the land which is uploaded by the coastal panchayats. Let's go to the verification stage. Verification should happen twice per year. Coastal Panchayats uploads the drone images, and the drone images are analyzed by AI model and predicts the carbon dioxide absorption. And it is also manually verified by the third party verifier and monitored by the NCCR. Once both verification done for an year, NCCR approves the carbon credits grant. These carbon credits are directly minted to NGOs embedded wallet. So here we are not integrating any external wallet here. Instead of that, we are creating our own embedded wallet for the storing the assets, because most of the Indians don't like private key management and wallet management, right? So the issued carbon credits are ready to trade on any of the decentralized exchanges. Why we chosen Solana as a blockchain? Most people use Ethereum as a blockchain because of simplicity of solidity. But trust me, its transaction fee costs more than a carbon credit. Indian people not ready to spend their entire profit on the transaction fee in the carbon credit market. Why we choose Token 22 as a token issuing program? Because it allows you to run custom logic during token sending or receiving or during minting. This ensures that Indian government earns transaction fee during every time carbon credits are minted, traded, or transacted in the market. These tokens are only transferable to whitelisted users. This ensures that no random person can hold the carbon credits, and no one can able to steal the carbon credits from the wallet.